So Antonio, you've got a couple of tiles out here. Tell me what you see as the difference between these and why this is trending differently.
Well, I think it's obvious we're moving into some warmer tones. We have started to see this Greige addition to most ranges. They've still got the naturals, the whites, the earthy tones happening, the grey in the concrete, or the cooler grey, bluer grey, and they're all got a Greige now.
They're all coming to a warm grey. Something that's happening there is if we looked at the last about 20 years. So we came through off what would have been probably, unfortunately, Mediterranean style. But those were kind of the colour palettes that were driving it. And we moved into grey, and grey became the fresh new look. And you can see that that's held for 15 years or more. Then you can't buy anything but it, which is the next big problem. And then you've got to be in touch with guys like Antonio if you want to be on that leading edge of where it's headed to. So when he says, you know, we've got Greige, this is the kind of tone, and you can see the warmth in it and how these tones are going to keep warming up, and then we're going to mix those in with pastels as well in this coming season. And that's how you look at a trend and where it's coming and going from. So you're the man to get these from.
Sure.
Got it.